Welcome back. Jasmine Kyle is with us with Apollo, who has an amazing story. I don't know if we want to refer to him as Apollo 12 or not.
Right? It's a good one. Yeah. So yeah, we actually had one of the largest litters in 2 years at our facility, which he likes to go for that mic, doesn't he? Which is a large litter of 12. These large litters are on the rarer side. A lot of people are like, oh no, it's 2 litters. No. Mama dog did a good job, and she gave birth to all 12 of these guys, and then somebody unfortunately dumped them on somebody's property. So we tried our best to find mom, and that was just not possible. So we have been taking care of these 12 little guys, and 2 weeks ago we were on air with you guys, and we are very happy to share that 10 of them are in foster care. So now we just have Mr. Apollo and his brother Droopy. He's got these cute little big droopy ears. But this Saturday we've got our doggy bag resale shop. It is doing a grand opening at its new location, which is 514 North Broadway. And these 2 little guys are going to be there from noon to 2 o'clock this Saturday. The store will be open to the public. We'll have puppies, free giveaways, raffles, and of course the store is fully stocked, and 100% of the proceeds from the doggy bag go to the SEK Humane Society.
Okay, so if you've never been into the doggy bag, tell us about it.
So
what kind of stuff is in there?
100% of it is donated from the public, from clothing to home decor to pet items to books. It's a nice resale shop that it's completely supported by our community and its donor base, and 100% of it goes back to these guys with behavioral assessments to medications to special grade food for dietary restrictions and even for utilities from time to time to keep those doors open so we can keep saving these babies.
Okay, and the doggy bag is one place that you can volunteer at if you want to sign up to volunteer.
Yes, you can. Yeah, volunteer there. Or summer is coming up. Spring and summer are busy times at the shelter. So if you have a free afternoon where you want to come out and walk dogs, or we have our checkout program. So with the checkout program, got to be 18 years or older, and all we'll need to do is get a copy of your license and your driver's tag, and then after that, you can check out that dog for as long as you want for the day, but they got to be back by 3:30 so we can tuck them in, but that's it.
Yep,
but
Pittsburgh has the dog park out at Schlinger Park that they would probably love to go visit if you can check them out.
They've got the dog park, there's Freddy's, there's Starbucks for a pup cup, there's lots of things. There's the beautiful trail out by Frontenac Wilderness Park. It's gorgeous. We have several of our dogs at the shelter that love that park, and it's a great way, one, to not only get them out and socialize, but two, you're going to exercise out of it too at the same time and meeting a new friend.
So if you do want to go check out a dog, do you have to have your own leash, or do you provide that?
Nope, we provide that. You do not have to worry about that at all.
All right, well, that's a fun idea.
Yeah.
That'd be a fun outing. Maybe you can't have animals at your own house. You don't have the ability to foster, but you can go spend an afternoon.
Yes, and we always ask that you take pictures too, because with those pictures we actually use them for adoptions with your approval, of course. We'll ask them to put them on our website and then their profile pictures. I can't tell the public enough, we're getting ready to meet with a class at PSU later in the week for photography, and it ups their adoptability by 70%. I mean, from these, we get great pictures right at the shelter, but it's amazing just to have one person solely focused on that animal without having to do all the others, and get these cute little adorable pictures of somebody eating a pup cup or going to Wilderness Park. And it really puts a viewer in that mindset of, I like to have that dog. I want to go on trails with that dog. I want to go get a pup cup with that dog. And it opens up the door. So don't ever think that a small act of volunteerism isn't enough. Those acts can literally change their lives.
Okay, so let's talk about the animals that you have at the shelter right now. I think you said you have a lot of puppies, but you always have older dogs too.
Yeah, we always have older dogs. So we still do have about 60% of our larger dogs are fostered, meaning that they do not have an adoption fee. We have a Pet Sense adoption event coming up, I believe, in 2 weeks, and we're going to have Montana, Mortimer, Crystal, and Dixie there. Those are all adult dogs. Puppies, of course, go quick, so for these adoption events, we really like to solely focus on our long-term stays. Montana is a special place in my heart. He's been on your show before. He's a wonderful dog. Cattle dog Australian mix, is a senior. He's 7 years old, but he does great with other dogs. We've had him at 8 adoption events. He's worked with kids at school events. If you are looking for a dog that would make, sorry, I'm getting emotional, that would make a difference, that would have a huge impact on your family, I highly recommend you check out our dogs online. We have some amazing seniors, including Montana and Betty, who have our hearts, but they deserve to have their own homes at this point.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for bringing Apollo on.
Not a
Hopefully we can find
problem.
Apollo and Droopy, his sibling, a foster home as well until they're ready for adoption.
We hope so too. And again, they'll be at the Doggy Bag, the new location, 514 North Broadway, this Saturday from noon to 2.
All right, definitely come check it out. Thank you so much for coming on.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.
Yeah. Yeah.
You were just